Want better grades, more muscle, sharper focus, a better mood, and you'd probably like to not feel like garbage every morning. There's one thing that does all of that. It's free, it's available every single night, and most people are actively making it worse on purpose. It's sleep. Not the, I know. What actually happens when you sleep? Most people think sleep is just off mode. You close your eyes, time passes, you wake up. It's not. Sleep is one of the most active states your body enters. Your brain cycles through several distinct stages, each doing something specific. Think of it like your phone running a full system update. It looks like nothing's happening, but the phone, your heart rate slows, your body temperature, memory consolidation here, deciding what matters and what doesn't. It's the warm-up lap. Is the recovering deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone. That gym and then sleep 4 hours, you're leaving games on the table, literally. The significant repair work during deep sleep. Get into deep sleep to actually do something about it. Deep sleep also happens losing more deep REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. Your eyes are, more importantly for you, REM is when your brain learning a new skill, studying for an exam is when your brain takes all that new information and procedural memories show that are on tasks after sleeping than after the same amount later part of the night, cutting sleep short proportionately. Early cutter, you lose deep sleep. Late cutter properly. The sleep debt problem. Here's where hours when your body needs 8, that 2-hour deficit doesn't disappear. It's 24 hours straight, well established. What's interesting, and kind of are, people rate their sleepiness as they're fine. They're not fine. This is what adapted to feeling that way. Your performance hasn't necessarily you. Let's be specific because you'll have stuff first. Attention slows, specifically the kind where you weigh risk and reward. Your preference when you're sleep deprived. That's why tired people make worse choices. It slows down. As mentioned, growth hormones genuinely prioritize it, tend to perform better. Sleep researchers have studied appetite regulation also gets disrupted. Too deprived, and leptin, satiety hormone, goes down. Probably why tired people reach for more calorie. Men are deeply linked. Even one bet, you're more irritable, more anxious, more reactive. Reactive without sleep, while the is weaker. Chronic risk of anxiety and depression. Direction of causality is complicated. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm. It's roughly 20 when certain hormones release. The main input that sets this clock is light. So about 14 to 16 hours later, a hormone that makes you isn't a sleeping pill. It's a darkness signal. It tells your body it's night, start the wind-down process. The phone problem. Screens emit blue spectrum light. So when you're scrolling at 11 p.m., your melatonin delay gets pushed back. If you fall asleep at a normal time, your scenes are bad. There's solid evidence effect of blue. The debate is any given deal. Practical implications, bright overhead, temperature slightly to initiate sleep, harder to sleep. The classic advice, 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 20. It's not just comfort preference. Warm shower, the warm water, so you fall asleep fast, feel like you slept, and wake up feeling